Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Memo obi bia kwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me hu ne se on se embra Hopsi na doye ene Ernesto Usu Bempa. Womo ba America no. Ghana for bebe na ebebo omochi. Ghana for edidi omo atem ene de ne kre me channel way so nkrofo edefa so send message thousands hundreds of messages a Ghana for send ye e ma nkrofo yi. Na very interesting. Akwa dani asem bia ba beto Ghana fo ano se obedie di pan se Kufuado aban mu pan na trese ya send nkrofo efri Ghana akwa abrochi se den a omo kohwehwe twene Jonas nkrofo bebre na edidi Kufuado ho yawo na emse Hosina doye ene Ernesto Usu Bempa womo tena ase a womo hu asem ni mu hu se dabi ase eya ase wo mudin no Ernesto Usu Bempa ba bontin beka the real reason why they went to America was say enye twene Jonas hunti na se eye wo bi se eye twene Jonas hunti no mokọ abrochi ana nipa ko no wo da ne ho abrochi na wo mokọ no they had an agenda na aban ejuma pa wo bo wo Ghana no no mokọ abrochi ekoyi edi atre Ghana fo wo abrochi no na eye group a wo mo ate wo Ghana ha I friend fixing the country movement no. Womo say womo sanso ko tibi e wa abrochire. Omo sanso ko bo enkrofo ano na womo aba behia President Ekufuado. Ye ne kai say that time na President Ekufuado nso eye Walande ye e wo America be ka abrochire America ho asem na America. Etiefo. Nti nsam a waba abonten e de aba betu dwa no. Wo say Twene Jonas ye useless. Go be ani wa wokwa America just because of Twene Jonas enye onu hunti. Nti what is nkrofo kan say Twene Jonas hunti no mobile ya sinkrofo ni hu nkotie ne num nsembra Daddy Fred ene ye an interview
we dey free fa nti na me nua na say me set the record straight because now Man FM and the 2 TV kind but it looks as if say certain group of people be to Ghana ha your omo ya ne say o metina no maso cameras yo men asusu no mo kansin hu
and anya Ghana nko aso no mo ti obi so wa ama no ne no mo yes
and I make ama no ne fo no in particular a very important say Daddy Fred you best set the record straight yama Ghana for you know say sebi prebiasa asantifo bu be wo say apampan so panwoma so enye ne yie die nani modern area ye nyina ne yie die ne area odi ase na said okusie wo so bedane ahwe a udu ade atwa omom ti abrochira omo so omadane abo okusie omo so bedane ahwe a omo nua atwa o ebe na mebu na ebe kese pa onyansanfo na to onyansanfo ase ya wo aba betena Ghana ne wo maame busuafo ne wo nananom ne wo fafo ne obusuafo nyina gu Ghana won ye wo sabio obusuafo no bi kura yenim wo mu a ye obusuafo a ye wo mu abrochiri kwa mihevu like wo ye wo Ghana de wo betena abrochiri na wo abegye kwasi kokwata wani ase project the positive side of America. He said the America ye heaven. Now ukuro mu no de ehun nya ndira me buru ben so ya bokusie. Also be dani ahwe a ni bia de atwa.
Yes ukuro mu de ase hon de enye kuro but be ye kuro.
So wo ye kusie na ma bu ben me be kirem. So okusie also be dani ahwe a udi ade atwa. The difference ne say okusie eni ahwe a omu nyina omu ye baako. But the dura na doa obomofo no konwura mu a de mani hu say okusie ni eni ahwe ane se ni dua no edua na dua okusie timi ni dua no ehwe kwan domofo no hu se okusie na ekọ ahwe ane ekọ that's the difference. It is all tikrom na se wo se wo ye wan Jonas as a wan na se wo betena America na se wo sebi kwahwe akwa ya yekuta full evidence of his travel itinerary or the free Ghana ha yes me na be catch because na tension ni who adaje o ya America so obi e ba be but yekuta
that is a mono America mo ba ye no nye Twene Jonas nti na ba ye
totally absolute absurdity for anybody to see Ekufuado o wadaje but ye ba Ghana yi no a sabi amanfo bi a hyase eni akonya itinerary na me be catch na manati se o ye be man as wan kana no antuma nya nse hunu no odi no America wona e be shock no number 1 Oko American embassy one of Akoyem. Reason Ben or the man embassy for no and son or America.
You should come and tell there by some no catch the embassy for no and son or America.
What was that girl being a friend of a
DJ Switch? Yeah.
Nemame. And now almost visa processing man almost 3 years ago, so 4 years ago, I said, making no more program for America. And on the account say, we're a sound cameraman. And on the account, we have all the documents here.
And DJ Switch and the mammy, and the didn't
yes. Yes, and on the account, on the call, and on Koji visa man on America. And what could do Americano. Instead so be you soon at Genedia Bibia one a bush for and Quashiadin or American Odina glass and quan Odin Pedifuate. Now Sabi Kaba way up and Fua and Kagana Hanye Papa and go me for passive process ben with me to go all con what upon Cosun or the America.
Off plane.
Now airport to Ben of fire the America. I have full and would be far to international airport to the Koi.
Yeah, so as a Ghana, yeah, for Munti.
On you're very careful because baby are all trading at no government official is interested in his stupidity and arrogance and sheer shenanigans. I'm using this English shenanigans because the person there. 17 years. Anybody should tell me, and I'm call London. I'm a Prempeh College. Make me my passport details. 17 years now more Prempeh College. Obi Onimbia me call Ghana Institute of Journalists. Now me call London Holidays. Me making a radio soon can say glass and Kwana or my Ghana. And yes, a comedian car. Satan no Ghana. 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 I am Funyanate me deep Funyanate because Atam and a young boy I'm to me more McDonald's. It me media Friday me £1,000 at that time. 2007. 1997. 1997 and 7 American. Now it means £1,000 at the Bagana. Now me Sadi Panon comedian can maybe Pierre Ghana Uda Busa and Nasa Remia now so you mate. Kobusa no Sasma make a bois. And then comedian Kadadi Fred, comedian can be sick Roman, commit timpany for Ghana in Atem. Because
that is a wish my monomoba American. And you put a year class and more Chini Jonas in
Government strategic communication team, you know. There was a social media blogging, any other places, you know, and then more diaspora. Oh, one will be to social media. And now, what do I say? I see a church development agenda, Kosono, more multi diaspora. Who better the by a radio stations by 10. Like you, important personalities like you, Bebre Kasa Kasaiwo, media houses, Bebre. And the agenda was to churn out fixing the country movement. Yajuma Yayan or Ghana. Muhu say a cope Bini a cochicha, and Yoma Kufuado, and the same thing here by America. Say a babe, nothing, ya support to your president, you know. In Yuma Power, you know, Ghana for or by you and the General Assembly. Ya better branch war. Fixing the country movement branch to America. Now, Feno, Yama, Ghana for honor Babe Bo or Mampenia Chidom. And you might buy a bear or American. And
not as a mono branch, Nakamu Biewa, facing the country.
As opinion, Adaji, such a useless riffraff. Wonder what I do want. Ujidi said me, I'm here. Me what I do on one, can you pack me what I do on one, make me, and then my bonny do a radio so I can't say me a Kevin Taylor. And I will say it anyway. Now say Kini Jonas said now you are making such a riffraff popular in this country as if say social media. No, do you think say Zuckerberg, you know, or Facebook, you know, they no Zuckerberg, you know, or a young person, no old school, someone only young boy old school within a short time and on one creative this a year now no year go off. He lost over billions. Put it in social media instead of using it to protect your country. Now they young King Jonas no be painting Ghana black actually. Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey was in Ghana here. A black president declared the year of return. And Steve Harvey, big men, Beyonce, Mameno, billionaires, multi-billionaires in America. Big people, Red Cross, Cardi B, all these people were in Ghana because almost say Ghana is the most peaceful country. We don't need such a useless guy like Kenny Jonas to come and tell us that Ghana, yeah, papa, yet your phone. You will billionaires to say Steve Harvey, Conan O'Brien, American white celebrity. Oba Kroma Benenam is.
Hello.